The old cabin air filter is located underneath the passenger side cowling in the hood of the car. What we need to do is push in these 3 clips with a flathead screwdriver so that we can easily pull up the clips and the cowling. Once you get all 3 clips undone, you'll be able to pull up the cowling to access the old cabin air filter. As we pull this up, you'll notice that this car actually didn't have one in place. So we're going to put in our new cabin air filter with the arrows facing down into the housing. It'll fit right in. Now, just put the cowling back and make sure you press all the way down so that all 3 clips go in. And then you're all done.